Come on in, y'all. If you have some ground beef, grab your head of cabbage and let's make dinner. And you know, I'll show you how to put it all together. Y'all know what this is. Take off. Here we go, y'all. Let's go ahead and get started and go over the ingredients. We have our cabbage already chopped, ground beef. I'll be adding in some onions, bell peppers, garlic, Worcestershire sauce. We'll be needing some beef broth and fire roasted tomatoes. And I'll have a full list of all the ingredients down below in the description box. Let's make it. So first thing, we're gonna go ahead and brown up our ground beef. I like to go in and just spread it out and let that side get nice and brown before I come in and give it a flip. Now I'm just coming in, I'm giving that a flip, and I'll let the other side get nice and brown before I start breaking up my meat. Now I like to just come in and break it up and just continue to cook until everything is no longer pink. Once your meat is no longer pink, go ahead and drain it, but leave about a tablespoon in to saute up the onions and bell peppers. Now I like to add in my onions and bell peppers, season it up a touch. I'm using just a touch of celery salt, just a little bit. I like the flavor that it adds, going in with an all-purpose seasoning. Remember to season at your taste and use your favorite seasoning. And I'm using a no salt, garlic, and herb. Go ahead and give that a mix. The onions and peppers cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now we can go in with our garlic. Gonna let this work in for about 30 seconds or so. You already know, you'll start to smell it. And the Worcestershire sauce, and I'm using the fire roasted tomatoes with green chilies. And our beef broth. Go ahead and give that a quick little mix. It smells so good, y'all. Now we can start adding in our cabbage. Now if your skillet's not big enough to fit all your cabbage, just add some cabbage to your skillet and place the lid on for about 2 to 3 minutes and let it wilt down, and add in the remaining of your cabbage. Now we need to season this cabbage up a little bit. No salt, garlic and herb, some all-purpose, some buttery garlic and herb seasoning. All that's left to do now, we're gonna pop a lid on and let it cook down for about 5 minutes before we come in and give everything a good mix. It's been about 5 minutes, y'all. I'm just coming in and giving everything a good mix. Now after you mix everything up, just place your lid back on and continue to let it cook until your desired tenderness. Be sure to come in every once in a while and give everything a good mix. And I'll come back and show y'all what it's looking like. And that's it, and that's all it is to it, y'all. Now's a good time to go ahead and taste and adjust any seasonings. A simple hearted beef and cabbage skillet the whole family can enjoy. You can serve it as is. I like to serve mine up over some rice and some cornbread, and you eating. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. And as always, thank y'all for watching. Your girlie, comment, thumbs up the video, and subscribe for the deliciousness. Happy Sunday, and y'all know the vibes. Be blessed.